Save your windshield with the ExoShield Ultra DIY Windshield Protection Kit. Built to defend against highway speed impacts, this 8mm film is 60% thicker than the leading single-layer windshield protection option available. Ultra comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty and an expected usable life of 2 to 3 years depending on your care and maintenance routine. To find out how you can get the most of your Ultra install, head over to our website and check out the care page for more details. Durability is a key factor. Our engineers made sure Ultra could stand the test of time by infusing our Endurance Class hard coat into the top layer for superior scratch resistance so your wipers won't wear down the film. Thanks for watching, and remember, for all your vehicle protection needs, ask for ExoShield.